Hi, I am Damini Grover, a counseling psychologist, life coach, and the author of The Intentional Being. One of the major reasons why people, like you and me, are not able to take tough decisions in life, we are not able to move out of our comfort zone simply because we don't know what lies outside of that comfort zone. It's the unknown that scares us. We human beings are like naive scientists. This concept was first proposed by Fritz Heider in The Psychology of Interpersonal Relations, जिसमें उन्होंने कहा that we are constantly trying to figure out the cause and effect in relationships between people, events, and situations because we want to know everything about everything. But the fact is that nobody knows everything about everything. We are all on a journey of our own, learning about something or the other. It's true that हर चीज़ के बारे में जानना, the fact that we know everything, knowing gives us stability, it gives us control and predictability. It also makes some part of life more manageable, the way we would like it to be. But what we really end up missing out on is the fact that life in itself is unpredictable. So हम ना हमेशा अनकंट्रोलेबल को कंट्रोल करने की ही दौड़ में लगे रहते हैं. कभी कभी शायद ये काम कर जाए, बट ये हमेशा काम नहीं करेगा. Besides, we are so preoccupied with the idea of controlling that we stop living. जब हम सिर्फ इसी चीज़ पे फोकस करने लग जाते हैं कि क्या होगा, मुझे जानना है कि क्या होगा, जब तक मुझे पता नहीं चलेगा, पूरी क्लैरिटी नहीं होगी कि क्या होगा, मैं क्या कंट्रोल कर सकता हूँ, क्या नहीं कर सकता हूँ. It just turns us into anxiety producing, guilt inducing and fearful individuals who even forget to breathe. क्योंकि चीज़ों को कंट्रोल करने के चक्कर में हमारी लाइफ से पर्सपेक्टिव ही हट जाता है. सही है कि कुछ भी अननोन होगा लाइफ में तो उसके साथ प्लसेस भी आएंगे और माइनसेस भी आएंगे, और अक्सर हमारा सारा फोकस सिर्फ उस अननोन के माइनसेस पे रहता है. That what if things don't work out? What if I am not able to handle it? What if bad things happen? और इसके चक्कर में हम जहाँ हैं ना वहीं रह जाते हैं. और इस सब के बीच में जो हमारा इंटेंशन है कि दिल से हम किस तरीके की लाइफ अपने लिए चाहते हैं, वो कहीं खो जाती है. So the fact is that to lead an intentional life, we have to learn to be okay with the statement that I don't know. I don't know what lies ahead. I don't know what is next for me. But the question is, are you willing to find out? Are you willing to look at the other side? Willing to explore possibilities? कि minuses हैं तो pluses भी होंगे. Are you able to tell yourself then that I will work it out, I will find something, I will make it work? क्योंकि हर बार when we are stepping into the unknown, वो हमारे लिए बुरा हो, ये तो ज़रूरी नहीं ना. और अगर हम चाहते हैं that things should work out for us, then in that case, we have to look for possibilities. We have to look for things that are going to turn out well for us, या जो हम अच्छे से कर सकते हैं. तभी हम अपने कंफर्ट जोन से बाहर निकल पाएंगे. As the famous quote goes by Mark Twain, that courage is not the absence of fear, it's resistance to fear. It is the mastery of fear, not the absence of it. नई चीज़ों में, अननोन में डर लगेगा, जायज़ है. बट अगर हम अपने डर पे काबू पा लें, तभी हम आगे बढ़ पाएंगे. It's only when we find the courage within to accept that we don't know everything, we don't have it all figured out, that we open ourselves to new opportunities and experiences that only aid in our evolution. Every time we find ourselves staring at the unknown, something that we don't know, it is time for us to learn something new, but only if we are willing to look at it like that. Only if we have the intention to learn something new, to grow and evolve. और ये सभी लाइन्स जो मैंने आपके लिए अभी पढ़ी, They are from my book, The Intentional Being, which has been read by thousands of people, loved by thousands of them, and it is available on Amazon. So make sure that you go ahead and grab your copy.